What if I told you that starting from absolute zero, no savings, no side hustle, no rich family, you could have $1,000 in your bank account in exactly 30 days? Not by winning the lottery, not by some shady scheme, but by following a simple, realistic, step-by-step plan that almost anyone can execute starting today. I'm going to walk you through exactly what I would do, day by day, if I woke up tomorrow with nothing in my account and needed $1,000 in 30 days. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Broke No More, the channel where we give you real, actionable money strategies with zero fluff. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now, because what we're about to break down is going to completely change how you think about building money fast. The audit and the plan. The first 5 days are not about making money. They're about stopping the bleeding. Day 1, open your banking app and write down every single expense from the last 30 days. Every coffee, every subscription, every random Amazon purchase. See exactly where your money went. Day 2, cancel every subscription you haven't used this week. Streaming services, gym memberships, apps. This alone could free up $50 to $200 instantly. Day 3, list everything you own that you don't need. Old clothes, electronics, furniture, games. We're selling these in days 6 to 10. Day 4, download these 3 free apps right now. Rocket Money to track spending, Acorns to start micro-investing, and Facebook Marketplace to sell your stuff. Day 5, set your $1,000 goal in writing. Stick it somewhere you see every single morning. Your brain needs a target. The Fast Cash Sprint. This is where the money starts coming in fast. Days 6 through 12, sell everything on your list from day 3. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Depop, Vinted. Price things to sell fast, not to maximize profit. A $30 sale today beats a $50 sale never. Here's what the average person can realistically make selling stuff they already own. Old smartphone, $50 to $200, clothes and shoes. $30 to $150 gaming console or games. $50 to $300 old furniture. $50 to $500. Books and textbooks. $20 to $100 realistically. Most people have $200 to $500 worth of stuff sitting around collecting dust. That's already 20 to 50% of your $1,000 goal, and it costs you nothing. The income boost. Selling your stuff gets you halfway there. Now we need to bring in fresh income fast. Here are the fastest ways to make money in days 13 through 20 with zero experience and zero investment. Option 1, gig economy. Sign up for DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart today. You can be earning within 48 hours. Average earnings, $15 to $25 per hour. Work 4 hours a day for 8 days. That's $480 to $800 right there. Option 2, freelance skills. Can you write, design, edit videos, do social media or data entry? Sign up on Fiverr or Upwork today. Offer your service for $20 to $50 per task. Land just 5 clients and you've made $100 to $250. Option 3, TaskRabbit. Sign up and offer to help people move furniture, assemble IKEA items, clean or do odd jobs. Average $25 to $50 per hour. Option 4, offer a local service, lawn mowing, car washing, dog walking, grocery delivery for elderly neighbors. Post on Nextdoor or local Facebook groups. Charge $20 to $50 per job. Stack and save. By now you should have somewhere between $400 and $800 coming in. The final push is about stacking every last dollar. Day 21, move all earned money immediately into a separate savings account. Out of sight, out of mind. Don't touch it. Days 22 through 25, do 1 extra gig shift per day. Just 1. That's an extra $60 to $100 per day. $240 to $400 extra in 4 days. Day 26, check all cashback apps. Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, and Rakuten often have unclaimed cashback sitting there. Cash it out. Day 27, sell one more thing. Go back through your home. You always find something you missed the first time. The final push and what comes next. You're in the home stretch. Days 28 through 30, one final gig shift each day. Review your total. If you're close, sell one last item, pick up one last job, cash out any rewards. And here's the thing most people miss. Once you hit $1,000, don't stop. Split it like this. $500. Emergency fund in your high-yield savings account, $300. Keep building toward $2,000, $200. Invest in an S&P 500 index fund. That $1,000 just became the foundation of real wealth. Not a one-time win, a system. So there's your complete 30-day roadmap from $0 to $1,000. Let's recap fast. Days 1 to 5, audit everything and stop the bleeding. Days 6 to 12, sell what you own for fast cash. Days 13 to 20, boost your income with gig work and freelancing. Days 21 to 27, stack every dollar and don't touch it. Days 28 to 30, final push and split your $1,000 into a wealth system. I've linked all the apps and books that make this plan work even faster in the description below, including my top personal finance reads on Amazon that break down exactly how to keep building once you hit that first 1,000. And when you grab any of them through my link, you're supporting Broke No More at absolutely zero extra cost to you. If this video gave you a clear plan, hit subscribe right now. Every week on Broke No More, we give you real strategies to go from broke to built one move at a time. Comment below, what are you going to do to make your first $1,000? I read every single one. You are not broke forever. You are just one move away. This is Broke No More.